Alright guys, so if you remember, I did some weeding and fixed the beds along the lawn back there. I was using one of those cheapo loop weeder, forget what it's called. It's a type of hoe, certain type, but it's basically that circle loop thing. And I had one of you guys, I'll have to put their name here or in the description, said try the Prohoe. It's way better, way easier. You're gonna love it. So I emailed Prohoe and said, hey, you wanna send me one so I can show off in the video? And they sent me two. So this is the one that I was interested in. It is for weeding, and look how sharp that is. This thing is looking crazy. And then this is a more traditional hoe. But I don't know if you can really tell, but that is thick steel. This isn't cheap stuff, and it has quite the edge on it, like sharper than the lawnmower blades came. So I am really intrigued to see how well these do. So I'm gonna tackle this bed here. Now this is where my wife is gonna be putting her flowers and dahlias and all sorts of stuff. There's some right there, a rose bush. I think that's a rose bush. I don't know. But this area I'm not sure about, so I didn't really go too crazy with. But you can see weeds around. So I'm gonna try this and see how much of a difference this makes. Ooh. Wow. All right, so this person was correct. I really gotta find their name. This is so much easier than that other tool. I mean, it makes sense because it's just a flat blade. It's actually sharp, and you can go at it from different angles. Whereas the loop, it's doing more, and well, it's trying to do more, and so it's just not as effective. But this is a breeze. Yeah, mailman brought that for me, huh?
Yeah, it's cool. For this looks so cool.
Can't say enough about this design. The other one, I mean, this garden hoe, it's really high quality, very durable, sharp edges. It's a better garden hoe, don't get me wrong, but this thing, I feel like this is a game changer for weeding. I'm gonna really enjoy weeding now, because I've always struggled with keeping up on the weeds with the mulch. This can slide in under there. This is pretty cool. All right, let's see. There's the comment. Thank you, Thomas, for recommending the Prohoe. It is an excellent tool. So This is one of those things where it's hard to really explain just how much easier this is making it. But it's a well thought out design. All right, so my official review of this product, well, both of them, let's get the other one. Both these guys work tremendously well. They're very well made. They're super sharp. I'm overall very impressed with this product. This is the 60J and this is the 40S. I would recommend both of these. If you need a hoe, get this hoe. If you want a weeding tool, get this guy. It's hard to really explain just how much easier that makes it. So thank you, Thomas, for recommending these guys to me. You can see right here. Rogue is the name of the company. Rogue, pretty cool logo. Yeah, these are high quality, and looking at the pricing, they're not ridiculously expensive. So this is I would say, undervalued tool compared to stuff I've used. So go out and get one of these. I'll link to their website. You can order online. Really, really good quality. And the poles, I mean, the poles are wood, but it's a good quality wood. It's not like, and you can get them in different handles too, but they're good quality all around. Very impressed. Thank you guys for sending me these. I really appreciate it. I've got 5 kids. I can't afford to try every tool that people recommend, so when companies send them out like this for me to try, I really appreciate it, so I can give you guys more feedback and good content. And yeah, there you go. So thank you. If you have any questions, suggestions, of course, comment below and I'll get back to you. Bye. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. It's what makes this really enjoyable and fun, making all these videos. And be sure to check out the ones below. Have a great day. Bye.